Hi, welcome to Complementary Vegetable Meal for the 10-month-old baby. Congratulations, your baby is now 10 months. Baby has gone through 2 phases of solid foods. At 6 to 7 months, baby's food was mashed by a fork and had small lumps. Baby ate 10 to 20 meals twice a day. At 8 to 9 months, baby's food was mashed with a wooden spoon, which allowed bigger lumps. Baby ate 30 to 60 meals twice a day. Today, we prepare a vegetable meal for the 10 to 12-month-old baby. Ensure it's well balanced with protein, carbohydrates, and vitamins. Fry with a little oil. Oil adds taste, energy, and breaks down the proteins. Also add a pinch of salt. Baby needs extra sodium for his growing needs. It's a much needed micronutrient. Cut the food in small pieces that baby can pick with his hands or use spoon. Remember, baby must want food. It's called baby-led feeding. Add carrots, tomatoes, onions, or mild spices if as a family you enjoy spices. Remember, you're introducing baby to family food. And baby loves bright colored food. By now, baby can take larger amounts of food up to 100 meals twice daily and also take 2 small snacks in between besides his usual daily amount of milk. Scoop up to 125 meals but serve in small bits of about 50 meals. Remember to give baby safe drinking water. At this age, give 100 meals over 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.